Alright, today I got a Stevens model 83 single shot bolt action rifle. This old gun was made from 1934 to 1938. It was a post depression gun, and most of those models and most of the manufacturers didn't last very long. They were all changed. Still, some of the later models, Stevens gun still had this basically the same bolt. It's got a standard rear, got a hooded front, pretty nice walnut stock with a metal butt plate. Just picked this one up. I'm gonna give it a shot, see what it's gonna do. This gun also don't have a loading platform. Lots of the old ones do. You have to stick it right in the chamber. There you go. Stevens model 83. Basically a forgotten rifle. Good shooter.